In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix can't install Need for Speed No Limits game app from Google Play Store. If you are encountering challenges while trying to install this app, there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. In the first method, you need just to go to Google Play Store and open it. Then make sure you are logged in with your Gmail before you try to install your app. However, if you are already logged in but you are unable to install the app, then tap on your profile icon up here and go down to settings. From settings, look for this option network preferences, and if you tap under it, you can see we have this option for app download preference. If you go on it now, you can see it is currently set to download over Wi-Fi only. Change this to over any network. This will ensure you can download and install this app via the current network you are connected to. To save the changes, tap on OK, and now go to your Play Store, search for your app, and you should be able to install your app. However, if this fails, then the problem might be with Google Play Store app itself. For that, we need to access its app info page by just long pressing on it, and you can see we have app info. If you don't see this app info, you should see the name of the app or even a settings gear like this one to access this app's app info page. You can also access app info page through settings. Now, if I tap on it, you can see this is the Google's Play Store app info page. First, we want to stop all background activities on this app by tapping on force stop here and then OK. And then we need to clear the app data. So if I go to storage, you can see this is a breakdown of data stored by Google Play Store. And of important is this cache data. When you talk of cache data, these are just small files that Google Play Store normally collects and stores to enhance user experience. But when these files accumulate, they might cause Google Play Store to malfunction, including being unable to download and install apps. To fix this, go to clear data down below and then choose clear cache and OK. Now, finally, we are done. What you need to do is just to restart your smartphone and then go to your Google Play Store app and search for your app. So I'll tap on search icon here to activate search and look for my app. So I'll search for Need for Speed, and here is the app. Now let me try to install. I'm now able to download and install this app. However, if the problem isn't fixed, your issue might be space. You don't have enough space on your smartphone. For that, you need to clear space by deleting unwanted apps, photos, as well as videos that you are no longer in need of. Once you have done that, clear trash and come back to Google Play Store. Try to install your app. So that's how you can fix can't install Need for Speed No Limits game app from Google Play Store. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.